The Namib Desert Environmental Education Trust, commonly known as NaDEET, was founded in 2003. Our mission is to protect the natural environment of Namibia through hands-on experiential education. We are proud to introduce to you our unique Environmental Education Centre based at the Namibian coast.
Welcome to the NaDEET Urban Sustainability Centre in Swakopmund. This Environmental Education Centre is open to all visitors, schools, youth, and teacher groups. The Urban Centre uses an interactive approach to engage with its participants. Let me show you around.
The educational journey for visitors begins here, in the Exploring Namibia area. This mural brings to life Namibia's natural resources and how they relate to the country's population, distribution, and growth, and the resulting environmental problems and challenges. The main feature of the NaDEET Urban Sustainability Centre is a life-sized model of a sustainable house called the Eco House. Upon entering the Eco House, there are all different areas of a house, such as a study, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. The Eco House has many activities that raise awareness about the impact that our lifestyle choices have on the earth. There are many tips that we can adopt into our lifestyles to reduce our impact. Some of the things you can learn are making healthy food choices, using energy more efficiently, and reducing water use in the bathroom.
Our school program is rooted in the competencies of the Namibian school curriculum. During the 3-day program, learners engage in key topics such as water, energy, waste, biodiversity, and climate change. We have a working area and the library for group work activities. The program utilizes Swakopmund's unique coastal environment to teach about environmental problems and solutions in an urban area. The Eco Cafe is our resource for promoting healthy meals and learning about local food production. Participants have their lunch here, but they also learn how to measure their environmental footprint. This is done by monitoring the energy and water used and the waste generated.
My name is Dennis Mwethe. I'm a school teacher at Hanganeni Primary School in Swakopmund, and I am also the coordinator for our school environmental club. NaDEET's programs is very beneficial to our school programs because most of the information that we have in our curriculum as part of the competencies are practically explained. And this is so very important and very much helpful to us. It has made this really very simple for the children to understand because it enriches the theoretical information that we have. So I would like to call my colleagues out there that we are very much lucky to have a center like NaDEET. Do your bookings, bring down the learners to the center, let them learn.
The Urban Sustainability Centre school program aims to develop environmental knowledge and practical skills focused on urban sustainability. It is supported by the Ministry of Education, addresses the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, and the National Policy on Education for Sustainable Development. To participate in the NaDEET Urban Sustainability Centre school program, call us or visit our website.